dump the guy.
How do you dump him? Do you like call him, text him, or just meet him in town?
just
and
say-
then come, let's sit down for dinner. Listen, my love. Dush. Bomb.
Ndingafuna uba sidibane face to face.
Yeah.
Ugqiba kwam ndithi, it's not you, it's me.
Yeah.
It's
not you.
Yeah, it's me. Yes. I would just say that.
Yeah. So it's not like
I would say
it's him that is wrong. It's you.
It's me.
The problem is with you.
Yeah. And Mqaba, I don't love you no more.
Yeah,
don't love you.
feeling is
And just be honest with the guy.
So if the guy became crazy and like that shit never gonna happen, you said yes and it was yes for enough. I'll kick your ass and I'm gonna make sure you say yes again.
Yeah,
What's the first thing you do?
So Pindisa.
Yo!
Kick his ass.
No, I
You
advise you,
like that?
run to the cops.
Wow.
Don't
I
fight the
did not
cops.
say.
Run to the cops. No. Yeah.
I would fight.
Stella, my friend.
And it's not love, it's like that.
Like, I'd support that. You see, as a woman, you should learn how to defend yourself, you understand? But,
God.
Yeah, I do understand that guys are stronger than women, but then I'm feeling I'm looking
But you know,
all in
Funa ukuqala umve
yeah.
nawe.
Yeah.
Yo. Hey.